Have you ever noticed how certain rules of life just keep showing up? Welcome to our YouTube channel, where you'll learn simple and powerful ideas to make life better. Today I'm sharing 7 of the most famous laws in the world. These are not laws from a courtroom. They're life rules that explain how things often happen and how you can use them to your advantage. 1. Murphy's Law. They say if something can go wrong, it will, and usually at the worst time. Murphy's Law is about how the more you fear something, the more it seems to happen. It's like the day you're running late for work and boom, every single traffic light turns red. Do you grip the wheel like a road rager or laugh it off and cruise along? The trick with Murphy's Law is to plan for the worst so you don't get caught off guard. That way, even if things go wrong, you're ready. Plan for problems so they don't catch you by surprise. 2. Kidlin's Law. Write your problem down clearly and you've already solved half of it. Seriously, grab a pen. When you see your problem on paper, it stops swirling in your head and starts looking more like a to-do list you can tackle. It's like magic for clearing your mind. 3. Gilbert's Law. If you take on a job, it's your responsibility to find the best way to get it done. Gilbert's Law is about ownership. If it's on your plate, you own both the work and the result. No blaming, no passing the buck, just owning it. Think of it like being the captain of your ship. You might not control the wind, but you steer the course. 4. Wilson's Law. If you focus on knowledge and intelligence, the money will follow. It's about playing the long game. Learn, grow, improve your skills, and opportunities will find you. A full brain can lead to a full wallet. 5. Falkland's Law. If you don't have to make a decision, then don't. Sometimes waiting saves you from rushing into a bad choice. This law teaches patience and the value of letting things unfold naturally. Like when you get an email or text that drive you off the walls. Sleep on it before hitting reply or texting back. My mantra is, write a response, then delete it and revisit it later. Trust me, the future will thank you. 6. Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. Give yourself a week for a task, and yep, it'll take the whole week. If you allow a week for a job, it will take a week. Deadlines keep you sharp. Set shorter ones for yourself to get more done in less time. You'll be amazed how fast you can get it done. Deadlines aren't the enemy, they're your secret weapon. 7. The Pareto Principle. Also called the 80-20 rule. 80% of results often come from 20% of your effort. Maybe 2 out of your 10 clients give you most of your income, or a few daily habits make the biggest difference in your health. This could be evening walks or skipping lunch twice a week. The idea is to find your 20% and focus on it. How to start using these laws. Here's how to start embedding these into your life. Notice them. Spot when they happen around you. Write things down. For Kidlin's Law, get a notebook and dump your problems and ideas on paper. Give yourself tighter deadlines to beat Parkinson's Law. Learn something new every week to apply Wilson's Law. Pause before deciding. Try Falkland's Law next time you feel rushed. Look for your 20%. Find the few things that give you most of your results and double down on them. Pick just one to start with this week, then add more as you go. Before you know it, these laws will be part of your daily habits. So there you have it, the 7 famous laws and how you can start using them right away. Which one will you try first? Share in the comments what you found most useful and what resonated with you. Remember, you're on your own journey, and there's every reason to invest in yourself for a more fulfilling life. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like this video, subscribe for more, tap the to stay updated.